Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make green beans tempura. It's so simple, easy and quick. My daughter doesn't like green beans at all, but this is her favorite. I think that explains how delicious this is. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this green beans tempura, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Green beans, as much as you like. Today I have about 200 grams, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon potato starch or cornstarch. Very simple. At first, I'm going to cut both ends of the green beans. When you fry them, the air inside is heated up and expand, and it could explode. So let's cut both ends of the green beans just a little bit. So it's the way out for the air inside. Beans are ready, so let's make tempura batter. I have 1 cup all-purpose flour in the bowl here. Let's add 1 teaspoon potato starch or cornstarch, 1 cup of cold water, and give it a quick mix. Make sure not to overmix it. Overmixing will bring out the gluten and will make the batter really sticky and heavy. This is good enough. It's still lumpy, but this is just good enough. I'm heating up some canola oil over medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of tempura batter. Just drop a little bit of tempura batter into the oil. If it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's the perfect temperature. Make sure the temperature is right. If it's too low, you will have very heavy, oily tempura, and if it's too high, you can easily burn it. Let's put the green beans into the batter and mix it well. So every bean is coated with the batter, and let's put it into the oil one by one. And just fry them for 2 minutes. Looks good, so let's take them out. All fried and done. So easy and quick. Time for the tasting. You can of course have it with tempura dipping sauce, but I like to have tempura simply with salt. And today I'm adding some sansho, Japanese pepper, to add the nice flavor. Japanese pepper tastes almost like a black pepper, but it's fresher and greener. The bottle looks like this. Let's put a little bit of sansho. Let's put some flavored salt. Itadakimasu. No wonder why my daughter loves it. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Green beans tempura is the main dish, so it goes here. And I want to have some protein too, so let's have toriten chicken tempura too. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Because the main is deep fried, let's have something light and refreshing for the other side dish. So how about onion salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.